In this video, I will show you 4 easy steps on how to start affiliate marketing with TikTok for free. So watch the full video till the end. So the first step is you need to find an affiliate product to promote. So there are 3 main categories of products that you can choose. So the first one is high paying, low volume affiliate programs. Second one is low paying, high volume affiliate programs. And third one is high ticket affiliate programs, which is my favorite affiliate program to promote. So now I will show you in detail that how this affiliate program works. So the first one is high paying and low volume affiliate programs. So these affiliate programs pay high commissions. So high commissions means $1,000 and $2,000 per sale. And also these affiliate programs pay a monthly recurring commissions. So for example, ClickFunnels. So if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, then ClickFunnels is a software that can use to build a funnel, right? So ClickFunnels pay 40% commissions with products from $97 to $297. So ClickFunnels have a two packages. One is $97 and other one is $297. So if you are promoting ClickFunnels and someone create a ClickFunnels account by using your link, then you will get a 40% monthly recurring commission from that one person. So this affiliate program is a high paying, but the target market is very low. And the other type of affiliate programs are low paying and high volume affiliate programs. So these affiliate programs pay lower commissions but have a mass interest. For example, Amazon affiliate program. So Amazon have an affiliate program and Amazon will pay you 5% to 10% commissions on every product. So if someone click your Amazon affiliate link and they go to the Amazon, and if they purchase anything on Amazon, then you will get a 5 to 10% commission on every product. So Amazon affiliate program is a low paying but have a mass interest of people. And the other type of affiliate program is high ticket affiliate programs, which is my favorite affiliate programs to promote. So these affiliate programs pay high commissions and also have a massive interest. So for example, Legendary Marketer. So Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and teach people how they can make money online as a freelance digital marketer or affiliate marketer. So if you are promoting Legendary Marketer affiliate program, then that pays 40% commission on high ticket products. So Legendary Marketer have a high ticket products like a 3,000, 4,000 and even $10,000 of product. And if someone purchase high ticket product, then you will get a 40% commissions. So you will get at least $1,000 per sale. And these type of affiliate programs have a value ladder that allows you to make more commissions on the back end. So the value ladder means Legendary Marketer have a front end product which is only for $7. But if someone purchase a $7 product, then Legendary Marketer introduce them a high ticket products on the back end for like a $1,000 and $2,000 and even $10,000 of product. And if someone purchase that product, then I will get a 40% commission. So that's why high ticket affiliate programs are my favorite affiliate programs to promote. And as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. So here you can see it. Here is the Legendary Marketer website, and Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show people how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. And Legendary Marketer also have a great value ladder that can allow you to make a high ticket commissions. And Legendary Marketer also have a great sales team. So you don't need to sell high ticket products to your audience, but Legendary Marketer sales team will introduce the high ticket products to your audience. And if someone purchase a high ticket product, then you will get a $1,000 commission. That's why Legendary Marketer is a best affiliate program to promote. So right now, if you don't have any affiliate program to promote, then I highly recommend you to start with Legendary Marketer, because Legendary Marketer gives people a great affiliate marketing education, as well as if you want to promote Legendary Marketer as an affiliate, then you will get a high ticket commission. That's why Legendary Marketer is the best place to start. But if you are already promoting any different product, then no worries, because the method which I am going to show you in this video will work on any product. So now in a step 2, I will show you how you can promote affiliate product on TikTok for free. So right now TikTok is the best place to get thousands and even millions of views in your videos for free. So now I will show you 4 simple steps that if you can follow, then you can grow your account on TikTok for free. So the first step is you need to find 10 people on the same niche that you are in and follow them. So suppose right now if you are in a make money online niche, then you need to find 10 people on the same niche and follow them. And the second step is find that 10 to 20 top performing pieces of content. So just go into their account and find the top performing videos that got thousands and even millions of views. So find that 10 to 20 top performing videos and save them. And the third step is you just need to recreate those contents. So don't copy word by word, just model that content and add your own twist on it. And just focus on their hook, story and offer that I will show you later in this video. And the fourth and most important step is you need to repeat these 3 steps over and over again, because if you are not consistent, then you will never grow on TikTok. So right now I will show you my actual TikTok account and show you that which type of content that I'm creating on TikTok which is going viral. So here you can see this is my TikTok account, Future Passive Income. And you can see here I create a lots of TikTok videos onto my account and I'm getting a lots of views on my videos. So now I will show you one of my TikTok video as an example and show you that how you can use the hook story and offer framework. So as I told you before that right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer teaches people how they can make money online, or how they can be a affiliate marketer, or how they can start the passive income stream, right? So right now I'm creating a videos to attract those kind of people into my business. So right now I will show you one of my TikTok video and then I will explain the framework. So as you saw in my video, at the beginning of this video, I write the text that 5 reasons to start affiliate marketing today. Because I told you before that the product that I'm promoting that teaches people how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer. So that's why I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing. That's why I created this hook. And the hook is very important. So the first 3 seconds of your video is very important. And if you can't grab your audience attention in the first 3 seconds, then your audience will never watch your video till the end. So that's why I created this hook. And in a story, I tell people that the first reason is be your own boss. The second reason is earn passive income. Third one is work from home. The fourth one is time and location freedom. And the last one is spend time with your loved ones. So if you want to do all of these things, then you need to start affiliate marketing today. So by using my story, I justify the hook that why you need to start affiliate marketing today because of these 5 reasons. So at the end of this video, which is also called the offer or call to action, I told people that if you want my free case study that teaches you how to start, then check the link in my bio. Because I know that if my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study that will teach you how to start. So if you want to know how to do all of these things, then check the link in my bio. So this is the hook, story and offer framework that you need to use in all of your TikTok videos. Suppose if you are in a health niche, then you need to create the hook, story and offer according to that niche. Suppose you are promoting a product that can help your audience to lose their weight. So you can create it the hook like lose 5 kg in 30 days without doing any exercise, something like that. But you need to focus on the hook, story and offer. So now in a third step, I will show you how you can create a bridge page funnel to build your email list. So here you can see this is my entire funnel that I'm using to build my email list. So first I drive a traffic by creating a TikTok videos, right? And I show you before that all of my TikTok video, I give people call to action that check the link in my bio. So if someone click the link in my bio, so once someone come here and click the button and enter their name and email address, then they redirect to the other page which is called the bridge page. And here I have a short video. In this video I explain about the product that I am promoting. And once someone click this button, then they go to the sales page of the product that I am promoting. And once they purchase, I will get a commission. So in my landing page, I capture people's name and email address. So I can follow up with them with my email automation and redirect them to the sales page again and again. So eventually in future, they will buy the product that I am promoting and I will get a commission. So right now I will show you my actual funnel and explain each and every step. So as I told you before, in all of my TikTok video, at the end, I tell people that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then click the link in my bio. So if someone come here and click the link in my bio, then they go to this page. So this is the landing page, and the main purpose of this page is to capture people's email address who visit this page. So here I write free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping, without any experience creating products, carrying inventory or dealing with customers. So if my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study. So if they are interested, then they click here. And once they click here I write enter your best email below to receive the free case study. So once they enter their name and email address and click here, then they go to the other page. So this is the second page of my funnel, which is also called the bridge page. And here I write important. Be sure to watch this full video to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So here in this video, at the beginning of this video, I tell people that how they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And then later in this video, I talk about the product that I'm promoting. I talk about the creator of the product, why that person created this product, and how this product can help you to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And if you want to know more about Legendary Marketer, then click the button below this video. So people click the button below this video, then they come to this page. So this page is the sales page of Legendary Marketer product that I am promoting. And here we have a short presentation from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. So someone come to this page and watch the entire presentation. And in this presentation, they will explain everything about Legendary Marketer 15-day business builder challenge. And then if my audience wants to get access of the 15-day business builder challenge, then they click here. Then they go to the checkout page. And once they purchase the 15-day business builder challenge for $7, then I will get a $2 commission. That's how I will make my first little commission. But the conversion rate at the beginning is very low. Suppose if I drive 100 targeted people who are interested in affiliate marketing, then only 2 to 3 people will purchase a 15-day challenge at the first time, and 97% of people will not purchase. But I don't need to worry about that because I already captured their name and email address into this page so that I can follow up with them with automated email sequence and talk about Legendary Marketer over and over again. So eventually in the future, they will purchase a Legendary Marketer and I will get a commission. So now in a step 4, I will show you how you can create an email automation to follow up with your leads. So your email is the most important asset of your online business because you own your list. Suppose tomorrow TikTok will ban your account, Facebook will ban your account. But if you have your email list, then no one will take the email list from you. That's why email list is the most important asset of your online business. And email is like printing money. So the money is in the list. And if you have a more emails of people who are interested in the specific thing that you are promoting, then you will get a more income. And the most important reason to build an email list is to build a relationship with your audience. So by using an email automation, you need to build a strong relationship with your audience. Because if your audience will not trust you, then they will never buy anything from you. So the first step is you need to build a strong relationship with your email subscribers. And on average, one email subscriber is equals to $1 to $3 per month. So if you have 100 people in your email list, then you can make at least $100 per month. And if you have 1,000 people in your email list, then you can make at least $1,000 per month. So this is the power of email list. And the main purpose of your email automation is to solve people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof so that eventually your audience will trust you and in the future they will purchase a product that you are recommending to them. So now I will show you my actual email automation sequence and also the software that I am using to create my funnel as well as my email automation. So you can see here, this is the software that I'm using to create my funnels as well as my email automation. And this software is 100% free until you have a 2000 email subscribers into your list. So if you are a new affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this software because in a free plan, you will get access of all the tools inside this software. If you want to check out this software, then check the link in the description below. So you can see here by using the TikTok method, I'm getting people's email addresses every single day. And now I will show you my email sequence. So first I go to emails and click on campaigns. Then you can see here, I have a campaign that Legendary Marketer case study. And I already have a 23 pre-written emails into my email campaign. So if someone give me the name and email address, then they will get a 23 emails, each email each day. And once I go to the campaign, you can see here, I have a lots of pre-written emails that inside my email automation. And my main purpose to send these emails is to remove people's objection, give them additional trainings of the product that I am recommending to them, and show them other people's social proof. So you can see here, this is my first email. So in my first email, I give people access of my free affiliate marketing case study that I promise them in all of my reels. So if someone get this email and once they open this email, then inside the email, I have one link. Click here to get access of the case study. So once they click here, then they go to the case study page. And I forgot to tell you that if you are also a beginner affiliate marketer and you don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way, then I highly recommend you to get my free affiliate marketing case study. So in this case study, I show everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and getting commissions. I will show you which affiliate program that I'm promoting that allow me to earn high ticket commissions. I will show you how I build my funnel as well as my email automation, everything inside the case study. So if you want to get free access of the case study, then check the first link in the description below. And once you enter your name and email, then you will get the email from Harshil and Prakshal. And once you click the link inside the email, then you can get access of my case study. So as you can see, I have a lots of pre-written emails. So here, proof, affiliate marketing works. So if someone open this email, then inside the email I talk about the best strategy for beginners. And if someone click the button inside the email, so they see the page like this. So in this page I have a lots of social proof of other people that they got a training from legendary marketer and now they are earning their first commission. You can see here this guy says I made my first commission ever. This lady says the only direction is up, celebrating my first commission with legendary marketer. So the people who got the training from legendary marketer are seeing their first results. So by using all of these social proofs, I am telling my email subscribers that if you also want to got your first commission, then start with legendary marketer because legendary marketer have a great training. You can see this guy earned $1,050 in just one day by promoting legendary marketer because I told you that legendary marketer have a great affiliate program that allow you to earn high ticket commissions. So you can see there are lots of people who got a training from legendary marketer and right now they are earning high ticket commissions. And then I told my audience that if you also want to start, then click here. And once they click the button, they will go to the sales page of legendary marketer. And once they purchase, I will get a commission. So by giving other people social proof, I'm telling my audience that legendary marketer is the best training for you. And you can see here, I have one email that shows proof. Watch the story of Kylie and Nick. So once someone open this email, then inside the email, I have one link that says click here to watch the story of Kylie and Nick. And once someone click this link, then they go to this page. And inside this page, I have one video of an interview of Kylie and Nick. And in this interview video, they talk about their experience with legendary marketer. That how they got a training from legendary marketer and then they implement the training inside their business and right now they are making money as an affiliate marketer. So by leveraging this interview, I am telling my email subscribers that if you also want to start making money online as an affiliate marketer, then join legendary marketer. And if you want to join legendary marketer, then click the button below this video. And once someone click here, then they go to the sales page and once they purchase, I will get a commission. So right now I'm doing the same thing that I teach you inside this video. And this method is 100% working if you follow hook, story and offer framework. Now if you have any question related to this video, then just comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. And if you didn't get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. See you in the next video.